Pfizer's booster is the same formulation and strength as the first two COVID vaccinations. It does not, however, mean you will react in the exact same way. Are you prepared for these other side effects? Clinical trial data, submitted to the U.S. Food and Drug Administration (FDA), show that other side effects included vomiting, diarrhea, and fever. Meanwhile, 3 of the most commonly reported reactions included pain at the injection site, fatigue, and headache. In fact, the report sent to the FDA on September 17, 2021, showed that 83% of the trial's booster recipients reported pain at the injection site. As for fatigue, 63.7% of booster recipients reported this side effect, while 48.4% reported a headache. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC) pointed out unsolicited adverse events. One such unsolicited adverse event was reports of lymphadenopathy, which is plausibly related to the vaccine. Pfizer booster vaccine side effects: 5 of the most common symptoms after the third jab. Lymphadenopathy occurred in the arm and neck region and was reported within 2 to 4 days after vaccination, said the CDC. Otherwise known as swollen lymph nodes, lymphadenopathy lasted for approximately 10 days. Cases of Bell's palsy, temporary paralysis of the face, was also recorded. However, the CDC added, the observed frequency of reported Bell's palsy in the vaccine group is consistent with the background rate in the general population. High cholesterol, 3 signs on your foot, insight: type 2 diabetes, the cheap snack to lower blood sugar, advice: statins, the 90p drink that makes drug toxic, tips, and there is no basis upon which to conclude a causal relationship. Serious adverse events, defined as any untoward medical occurrence that resulted in death, a threat to life, or required hospitalization, included acute myocardial infarction, cerebrovascular accident, appendicitis. The proportions of participants who reported at least one serious adverse event were 0.4% in the vaccine group and 0.2% in the placebo group, the CDC clarified. As of Friday, November 5, the government has reported that more than 9,347,074 people have now had their COVID booster jab. When it is your turn, you will be invited by the NHS to book your appointment. People are eligible for a COVID booster once it has been 6 months since their second injection. Furthermore, one must be aged 50 and over, or over 16 with a health condition that puts you at high risk from COVID. Frontline health and social care workers are also able to book an appointment for a COVID booster vaccine if it's been 6 months since their second jab. From Monday, November 8, people will be able to pre-book an appointment for a booster COVID vaccine, if eligible, 5 months since their second dose. Do note, however, that the appointment you will be offered will still be 182 days, 6 months, after your second COVID dose. Anybody who tests positive for COVID, who is eligible for a COVID booster, must wait at least 4 weeks after testing positive for the disease to book their booster jab. If applicable, people can now book their COVID vaccine boosters on the NHS website.